We're servicing a BAXI boiler today, and we're giving it a full strip and clean. We're getting into the main heat exchanger and we're going to clean that all out. We're going to get in there. We've got a wire brush in there, give it a full strip and clean and get all the debris out. Then we're going to go and check the expansion vessel, make sure it's got the pressure that it needs inside of it, and then we're going to check the gas valve, the diverter valve, and carry out all its safety checks and set all the combustion ratios up on this boiler. And we've been looking after this boiler for about 4 years now, and it's really in fantastic condition. And that's one of the ways to keep it in good condition is get your boiler served on a yearly basis.